So let me ask you a question.
Okay.
When you think of your life from a health point of view, how much time would you say you put in deciding what kind of food you're going to eat, exercise if you're going to exercise? How would you measure that?
I would say, well, I'm not great at math, but I do know there's 7 days in a week, and I exercise every day about an hour. So there's 7 hours just working out,
Okay.
actually working out.
Okay.
And then eating, I eat a lot too, so
But
a
do you-
lot.
But would you say that you eat healthy? That you think of what you eat before you eat it?
I try to.
Okay. Well, based on the way you look, you're doing a very good job.
Right. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Okay, so the weekend you're kind of a little off.
Right.
But in general terms, you really do take care of yourself.
Right.
You want to be healthy.
Right. I do that because I want to be healthy, I want to live long, and I want to feel good and look good, not
Right.
gonna lie.
Very good.
And that's why I do those things.
Okay. You will never do more than lay in bed than anything else you do in your life. That sounded kind of weird, but think about it. You go to work, you exercise 1 hour a day.
Right.
You sleep 6, 7.
Yep.
You eat total, I'm going to exaggerate because you're real picky, 2 hours a day, multiple times.
Right.
You still sleep 6 or 8.
Right.
You never sit in your chair at work for so long, drive for so long, and so on and so forth on a daily basis. Yet most people never, ever, ever take the time to think of how to buy a bed and why they should take the time. If you come to us, as you did, all right?
And I'm looking good, right?
Right. And your
I'm
husband
sleeping
is
well.
sleeping better.
Right.
And your husband is a substantial larger individual, wider individual than you are. You were here approximately 40 minutes going from one bed to the other. And all we did is try to judge your bodies and the way you fitted in that bed. All we want is for you to use a different thought process. Understand that you need to take some time for purchasing the correct bed for you
Right.
and your partner, because you're going to be in it 1/3 of your life.
It's as easy as literally pretending we're Goldilocks and coming in each bed with you guys. Y'all you go with us. It's not like you go, okay, go figure out, go tell us which one feels good to you.
I don't know if you can feel it. I know you can feel it because I can see it.
Right.
Your chest area, i.e. your rib cage, is on the bed, your hip bone is on the bed, the small of your back, right here, if you could move your hand, right here, is not on the bed at all.
Right.
You can feel it because your body is there, but you cannot feel support, all right? So if you come with me for a second,
Okay.
let's go to, let me help you.
I don't know who's that bed's good for.
No,
Not me.
Not for you, okay? But let's say you will do the same thing on this bed for a moment, okay? Just, there you go. See, okay.
Night-night. I'm
Okay.
out.
But you see that face? People don't know how to relax. So when they go buy a bed, they sit on the bed and they go, too soft,
Yeah.
too firm, I don't like it.
Did you say nobody's sleeping sitting up?
No one is sleeping sitting up. No one is sleeping thinking about how they sleep. So the best way to analogy, pain is not a thought, it's a feel. Comfort is not a thought, it's a feel. When you're uncomfortable in bed, okay, you're uncomfortable, it's a feel. And when you're comfortable in bed, that's also a feel. Folks don't know how to be comfortable in bed. They don't even know how they sleep. The point is, when you purchase a bed, it's a feel thing, it's not a thought thing. And you have to have people that know what are the components that create the feel. The first bed you laid on, if you purchase something like that firm, within 3 weeks max, I'm being nice to you, you'd feel like somebody took a baseball bat to your back.
Yeah.
Here, you're sleeping like a little princess in a bed.
Right.
It fits you well, okay? Whether this is the right bed for you or not, I do not know, but it fits you well.
Well, and I think an important thing too is like when you go other places, they're selling you on a price point. Now that bed, I don't know how expensive that bed is, but could easily be the same price as this. It's a great bed. It's just better for somebody else.
That is
right,
correct.
Than this one.
That's correct.
So you guys are selling them on what is good for, not even selling them, you're helping them with something that's good for them and not.
Correct. The word that you say sell, I don't know the last time that I sold an individual a bed.
Right.
I fitted individuals in bed, I educated individuals in the bed. We're both smart enough, I and the consumer, to know that when they came to Texas mattress makers, they weren't looking for pickup trucks or a vacation package.
Right.
They were looking for mattresses. My job is to fit you in the perfect bed for you.
Love it.
Period.
Period.
Not to sell you a bed,
And
to fit you in a bed.
You fitted my husband and I in the most perfect bed, and I cannot tell you guys enough. Like, nobody pays me to say this, but I promise I've never slept so well in my life. Like, I cannot wait to get in bed, and I never want to get out of it. So thank you all.
It's my pleasure. No, that's the nicest compliment someone can give.
Yeah.
Sincerely.
Well, I mean it.
Thank you.